That went out over the ship's comm?
Yeah, it should've.
Let's hope someone was alive to hear it. Hustle! We blow through some space zombies, get cozy in a pod, and we're gonna live, McCraw. We're gonna live. And we're gonna get back to the Red Horse. And then, we're gonna tear the commander a new one. 2 new assholes. One for you, and one for me. And then we're gonna find Smith. And we're gonna take our time with him. And then when we're done with him, then what?
And then there's shore leave, Sarge.
Damn straight.
To destroy it. That thing they just shoved Burgundy into, I think... I don't know. I think they're trying to somehow hotwire the slipspace engine without bridge control. We have to destroy it. And even if not, that engine is important to them somehow. We have to take care of it.
That's the slipspace drive. We don't want to mess with that.
Major Smith is secure on board. What should we do with him?
Let's keep him in solitary for a while.
Doesn't it help to know the Major may have acted on his own? Oni isn't responsible for this. This was never meant to happen, and the very fact we're here shows that Oni is acting in good faith. He'll be court-martialed. Maybe even worse.
No. No, it doesn't. Smith may have acted on his own, as you say, or he may have been following orders, and Section 3 will now use him as a scapegoat and wash their hands of the matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't change a thing.
Telling them about the pods was a pointless gesture. Under the circumstances, Oni's operative won't let them get to the pods.
We don't even know if he's still alive.
Commander, picking up a detonation within the transport. I think the slipspace engine has been ruptured. We need to withdraw before it goes completely. Sir, we need to withdraw to a safe distance.
No. Not yet.
Sir.
No. We stay. We stay until the last second. We don't abandon our own.
He's a lousy shot. Which way? Keep moving.
Reload!
LaCroix?
Venti, who's alive?
Clarence, and some survivors. 1 deck to go.
Get your ass in gear. This ship isn't gonna wait.
Yes, sir!
2 pods. 2 of us, some of them. What are we gonna do?
Benji's taking her sweet time. It's those short legs.
Sarge, we're coming! Don't shoot! Please don't shoot!
Sarge?
Don't shoot! Henry's okay! Don't shoot!
McCraw, do not take your finger off that trigger. What's this Covey bastard doing here? You said survivors.
Damn it, McCraw! You're Oni. You've got to be.
Oni? I'm not surprised.
Nothing personal. There were never meant to be any survivors. Benty, get down. You can walk. Henry, put her down.
Benty, you're hurt. Bad. Clarence, drop your rifle. It's 2 against 1.
Henry can have my short leave.
Benty! No! Sorry, Henry, but there's only one pod. All right. Let's dance!